getting on the plane. How excited are we out of 10 minutes?
10.
So we made it to Bali. Our flight was delayed, how many hours? 4 hours?
Yeah, somewhere.
But we made it. We got here at 3 a.m. and the beautiful hosts were awake and waiting for us, and they had welcome drinks and wet towels and donuts and pastries, and they were lovely. So far so good.
Bali. How you liking it?
Not bad.
We are at the monkey forest in Bali. About to see some wild monkeys.
Monkeys.
Just like see all your family, babe.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Take a look at this incredible sunset. Okay, good morning people. It is 6:25 in the morning here and we are up and ready to go. We're headed to Gilli Party Island today. It's a really long trip, so we've got to be up early to go. And we've been snorkeling. We saw some turtles up close, some fish, some underwater statues. It was sick. This is the beach behind us. Look at the water. Our last day at this beautiful villa. We're moving to Canggu today and we have a full day of activities, so stay tuned.